Hello. Today I'm in Indonesia. Here with a Boeing 737, as you can see there. Let's go back in the plane. And since I can't use this while going up, so I guess I'll tell you when I get up. Okay, well here we are in this rusty old Boeing 737. Right, let me just put my umbrella down. Right, so here we are. The cockpit. The cockpit is very old, so I can see that this Boeing 737 hasn't been used in ages. Right. Oh look, the yoke works. Aviation. There's aviation right there. Yeah, here we are. Here's where the flight attendants were. Here, whatever this is, I think he's up on the stairs. And then here's our old fuselage. Oh man, my phone is not doing good in this rainy condition. Yeah, it's very bad conditions today. As you can see here, here's the wing, there's the engine. I'll show you the inside of the engine later. I'm not actually going inside, but I'll show you what the blades look like. Right, well, here's our overhead panel. And since I'm running out of time, I think I'll go show you the engine real quick. There it is. Alright, well, I guess that's all. Yep. Here's our 737 tour. Oh, square windows. You gotta be serious, not square windows. And I guess that's all of it. I can tell this is an old 737 actually, because look, 737s don't have those overhead panels. Alright, well I guess that's all of it, guys. Thank you for watching this, and I guess I'll see you in my next video. Yeah. Also, yeah, they have flight attendant thingies, which I don't know where, but they have panels. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.